Good morning, student. I am Vivek here with you again. My favorite and simplest subject, math, standard 6th and practice set 17. Question is that carry out the following divisions. These three examples are given here and we have to solve this one by one. Earlier we had seen the example of multiplication of decimal fraction. Here we see the division of decimal fraction. First example is that 4.8 divided by 2. So here this example converted without changing its value is like this: 48 by 10 divided by 2 by 1. So it's again this is converted into this like this: 48 by 10 multiplied by converted into divided by, when divided by is converted into multiplied by, but their change in place of numerator in denominator is what we say that reciprocal. So it is like this. So again here 48 into 1 plus divided by 10 into 2. So 2 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 24. 24 by 10 is equal to again 24 by 10 means 10 means 1 decimal fraction from right side. So it is again 2 by 4 is the answer of this question. So I think you got it. And now we can solve the another problem in the same way. So we solve this in the same procedure. Second question is that 17.5 divided by 5 is written in this way again: 175 by 10 means 17.5 by 5 divided by 1. But this is converted into this again: 175 by 10 divided by, when this sign is converted into divided by, this denominator goes upward and this numerator goes downward once again. That is called reciprocal of this thing. So it is 1 by 5 again when this subject is changed. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 35 by 10. You know the 35 by 10 divided by 10 means point is comes here, 10 goes away, then 3.5 is the answer of this question. I think you can understood this problem again. So out of 3 problems we solve 2 problems and last problem is remain. Now in the same procedure we can solve last problem here again. So last problem is this. So this problem we can solve in this way again. Each earlier process is follow here once again. So 20.6 is converted into 206 by 10, value is same, divided by 2 by 1. So here again by 10, this sign is changed again into multiplied by, but this goes upward and this comes downward. So it is 1 by 2 again. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros 3. So 103 by 10. You know when divided by 10 there is a decimal fraction comes uh, one number from right side, so it is 10 goes away. 10 by 3 is the right answer of this question once again. So I feel that, or I clear that all these three decimal divisions here. So once again, thank you, love to all, take care.